Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another paper pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Hello cheeky monkeys, here we are with card design number 2 for the box of paper pumpkin entitled The Best There Is for May of 2024. So this was a focal paper for one of the cards, and I used half of it for the bundle PDF for my subscribers. I always send them about 12 other alternatives for the kits. And for the rest of it, we're going to be cutting up the planks. So you saw me go in and sort of cut diagonally the little bits and pieces off. I want as much length as I can get on that one half side. And I'm just using my trimmer here. It's easy enough to line up. If you have to use your scissors on these small parts, that's what I did. Some of the little pieces I won't be able to use, but for the most part, I'm using all of my little wooden planks here. And then you can see in the top left corner, there's a blue card, and that is one of the card bases for one of the cards in the kit. And I trimmed that down. And now I'm doing about 1/4 inch strips, exactly the same as the planks that were in, that I cut down. So they're all the same size. Now I'm going to put 2 or 3 swipes of adhesive along my card here, and that is on the free edge. Now some of the planks I will be adhering like this way, longwise, and I'm just sticking to about I would say half, just under half to just over half of my card front. So probably I need pieces of strips of paper that are 2 1/8 to 2.5 inches about. And you can see I use them. I'm trying to use all of the cards. I'm trying to get a feel. It's random, or I'm trying to do random, which sometimes always means that I'm making a pattern. But anyway, I am putting all of these down, and I've just used the dry adhesive. I will go back, and I'll make mention of this right now because I don't show it in the video, is I will go back and, you know, those little free edges where the little pointy bits of board or paper are, there's no adhesive under it, and I wanted to make sure that everything gets stuck down and doesn't flip up. So I go in with some wet glue and just dot them on the very tips and make sure that I have no overspill or anything like that, and just glue the bits down. So as we're finishing everything up, I don't know why I find this so satisfying. You might find it satisfying and fascinating as well. I want to put that word together, fascinating and satisfying, but put your put your combination in the comments below, and we'll see if we can't come up with a new word. Anyway, I find this satisfying and fascinating when we give the little paper a haircut. I don't know what it is. I love it. So I'm cutting off the excess, and then I fold and burnish the card, and I'm bringing in one of the pieces from the kit. It looks like Lost Lagoon seaweed or something, I don't know. So I did bring in a sneaky little extra product. This is called Saying Something Ephemera Pack. It's really affordable. The number is 163761, and it has not only these like little sentiments, but there's also like die cut sentiments. So if you don't have or scripty or fonty or whatever, like if you don't have a cut and emboss machine, this is the greatest thing if you don't want to have too much of the crafting supplies, or if you don't have as many stamp sets in your collection. This is a great way to go, especially if you're just sort of starting out your collection. I wish that they had this when I first started, because I ended up having to get about 6 or 7 different sentiment stamps before I got all the sentiments that I wanted. Anyway, I find that this is a really affordable way to start your paper crafting experience, and that's why I brought it in. So I put my Thinking of You little sentiment strip. I stuck it on the back side of some of that seaweed, I guess you want to call it. And I used dimensional adhesive to put it together. So that is my card for today. But before you leave, first of all, I'm going to show you some stills. And then I'm going to talk a little bit about the bonanza, the bundle bonanza that's going on right now at Stampin' Up. We can get bundles for an additional 10% off. They're already nicely bundled, and I have 3 to choose from if you want a class with them free. The Magnolia Mood, the Labeled with Love, and Thoughtful Wishes. So the link below is to my blog. I would love to come over to my blog and check that out. I appreciate your business, and I appreciate you watching. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.